Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove videos from your collections on TikTok. So what collection is that it's basically like folders that you can like separate videos from your favorites. So like, for instance, I've saved a couple that has something to do with food, with makeup, with outfits, and I can separate that so I can easily find videos, if you know what I mean. So to remove like a video from your collections, you're just going to go to profile, so press that profile button and then click on the favorites and then go to collection. I've already done that. Select the collection and then you are just going to manage videos. So press manage videos, and for instance you want to delete a few videos that has nothing to do with food. I'm just going to randomly select these 4. Press remove for videos from Vidi. Your videos will still be saved in all favorites, and then just press remove, but I'm not going to do that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!